Hello friends, myself Amar. Now in this video I will discuss about Ajax listener in PrimeFaces. Okay, let me show you the output first. Here what I have done, I have created a input box, and as soon as I start typing here, then that input is converted to the uppercase. Let me show you. Once I start typing here, you can see the input is converted to the uppercase. Means whenever I start typing here, that request goes to the server. In the server there is a managed bean which converts the input to the uppercase, and the request from the client to the server is sent by using Ajax. Okay, now how this entire thing can be done in PrimeFaces by using the Ajax listener, that portion I will discuss. Okay, let me move to the code. Then what I have done, as usual, here I have created a project named as Ajax listener, and I have created a page index.xhtml. right here I have used the corresponding PrimeFaces and JSF tags, and after that in the form tag what I have done, I have used a panel grid having the number of column as 3. After that I have created an output text, and the value I have given as enter your name. That's why this enter your name label is being displayed here, right? After that, to create that input box, here I have used input text of PrimeFaces. These things I have already discussed in my previous videos. Okay, the ID of the input text I have given as name, and in the value I have written myListener.name. Now as you can guess, this myListener is nothing but the name of the managed bean, and name is nothing but the property which has been defined in the managed bean. Let me show you. In the source package, in the Ripples code package, I have created a class named as myListener.java. This is nothing but the managed bean. As you can see, I have used the annotation managed bean, and I have given the name of the managed bean as myListener. Okay, here I have created a property, string property named as name. I have created the corresponding getter and setter method, and here I have created a method named as handle event. What this method will do, this method will convert the name to the uppercase. Right now let me move to the index.xhtml page. Now as you can see, whatever value we provide in the input text, that will be assigned to the name property of the managed bean. Right, after that my motive is what? My motive is to convert that input to the uppercase by sending the request using Ajax, and to do that here I have used p-ajax tag. Which event I have used? I have used the key up event. Okay, and after that I have used the update attribute. In the update attribute I have written uppercase name. Now as you can see, this is nothing but the ID of the output text which I have created here. Okay, here you can see each output text ID is uppercase name, and the value is nothing but the value which has been assigned to the name property of the myListener managed bean. Okay, and in the p-ajax I have used another attribute which is called as the listener. In the listener attribute I have written myListener.handle event. Handle event is nothing but the method which I have created in the myListener, and the functionality of this handle event is to convert the name to the uppercase. Okay, this means ultimately what is happening, whatever value we are providing to the input text, that is being converted to the uppercase by using this handle event method. This means if we want to call the method of the managed bean by using the Ajax request, then we need to use the Ajax tag, and to call the method we need to use the listener attribute of the Ajax tag. Okay, and once the input goes to the server, this handle event is converting the input to the uppercase, and after that that value is updated to the ID having the ID uppercase name, which is nothing but the ID of the output text. Okay, and that is the ultimate thing which is happening here. So once I start typing here, the input is going to the server. In the server there is a managed bean which is converting the input to the uppercase, and after that it is displaying in this output text. And this is the entire code. This is the code for index.xhtml, and this is the code for the managed bean. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.